So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here and seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti and today I'm gonna be sharing my skincare routine. Like I have done a video earlier जिसमें मैंने basic skincare routine बताया था for beginners and today I'll be sharing my personal skincare routine. So to tell you guys, I keep on changing my skincare routine, like I keep on experimenting with different products and yeah, I like trying new products, so I keep on changing my routines. So I'll be sharing my summer skincare routine in this video. To know my skincare routine, just keep on watching this video. And yes, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. And yeah, without much delay, let's just hop into the video. So the first product is definitely a face wash and it's from this brand Simple. And I had shown this in my Nykaa haul video and since then I have been loving this product. Like no denying the fact it's really good and it retails for rupees 325 and अगर ये मुझे कोई MRP पे लेने को बोले तो भी I'll buy it, but anyway it's always on off, so you'll find it around 250 or 275 आपको मिल जाएगा. So talking about this, basically it's a soap free cleanser and this is how it looks in texture. So it's meant for sensitive skin and it is really good. So I'm using this one currently and I switch between the Himalaya one, which is more on the affordable side अगर आपको और भी budget friendly product चाहिए. So you can try Himalaya Neem face wash also. So moving forward with the second step, and that's definitely gonna be a toner. So this is what I'm currently using. It's the toner from Kaya and it's their purifying toner. So toner का basically काम क्या होता है? When you wash your face, the pores get open. So you need to prevent any dust particles or pollutions to enter through that pores. So you need to close them. So in order to do so, you need a toner. So this is I'm currently using and it's about to get over. So I like this one and it retails for rupees 320 and इसपे भी off आता रहता है. So not to worry. And it's acne free, like ये acne prone skin के लिए. Oh yeah, let me tell you, I have a combination to oily skin. So मैं जितने भी product recommend करूँगी, they are meant for oily to combination skin people only. And it comes with a pump also, so that's really good. And if I don't use this toner or any toner for that matter, so I go for a rose water. And if you have watched my previous videos, you already know by now that the rose water that I am talking about is from the brand Kama Ayurveda. And yes, it retails for rupees 300. So that's that. So it's really good. मुझे इसके बारे में बोलने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. Like majority of you आपने try कर ही लिया होगा अभी तक. And if you haven't, so you need to try this. It's a really good rose water. So moving forward with the third step, and that's gonna be a serum. So I'm currently using this Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Vitamin C Serum. So I'm liking this. It contains vitamin C and turmeric. So it's a decent, good product. Like I keep on changing my serums and I even use facial oils. So I use facial oils then only जब मेरी skin dehydrated feel कर रही होती है. So I use facial oil. Like I like the Good Vibes Rosehip oil. That's also a facial serum that has a oily consistency. So yeah, I like that one. So it's really good to incorporate vitamin C in your skincare routine. And this is how the texture of it looks like. And it's not at all heavy on your skin. It's very light in texture. And as you apply it on your skin, it gives that smooth base. So I like this. So moving forward with the fourth step, and that's gonna be a moisturizer. And एक और बात, yes, oily skin people think कि उनको moisturizer लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, your skin will be more oily. So ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Moisturization is essential for every skin type, be it oily, be it dry, or be it normal skin. So moisturization is really essential. So yes, talking about the moisturizer, so it's also from the brand Simple and it's their hydrating light moisturizer. Yes, इसमें दो variants आते हैं, एक dry skin वालों के लिए भी आता है and this is the light moisturizer. So this is how the consistency of it looks like and it's very light in texture. It's not at all greasy. Whenever you apply it on your skin, ये बहुत जल्दी absorb हो जाता है and whatsoever कोई भी greasy texture नहीं देता है. So I like this one and it retails for 385 and ये भी offer पे रहता ही रहता है. So yeah, I'm liking this. जब से मैंने लिया है, like I have this one also. I've shared in my Nykaa haul. So by chance, if you have missed that haul, I'll insert a card over here. You can just see it. And yes, if you want to try a moisturizer on a more affordable side, so I would suggest you this Pond's Light Moisturizer. Like ये मेरा second या फिर third tub होगा that I am using it, and it is 75 gram of product. And it retails for 149. So this is how the texture of it looks like. And ये आप Neutrogena Hydro Boost का affordable end वाला dupe समझ सकते हो उसको. So yeah, that's that. I like this one also. Yes, it has the slightest amount of fragrance in it, but I don't mind it. It's really nice, and it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it. And yes, it's a light gel moisturizer, so I like it. So a tip that I'll give you is whenever you apply vitamin C, you should apply sunscreen, क्योंकि विटामिन सी डायरेक्ट लगा के सनलाइट में नहीं जाना चाहिए. इट विल हार्म योर स्किन. लाइक नॉर्मल अगर आप सनस्क्रीन ना लगाओ, उससे डबल हार्म करती है आपकी स्किन को. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि सनस्क्रीन पहली बात तो लगाना ही लगाना चाहिए. एंड आफ्टर विटामिन सी यू शुड अप्लाई डेफिनेटली. यू बिल्कुल ही लगाओ, बिल्कुल भी मत भूलो. सो आई एम करेंटली यूजिंग दिस सनस्क्रीन फ्रॉम न्यूट्रोजेना, एंड इट्स द अल्ट्रा sheer sunblock, and it's SPF 50. So yeah, that's that, and it is PA triple plus, so it's really good. So it's really light on your skin. It does not leave any white cast whatsoever, and I really like this one. And अगर आपको कोई और sunscreen try करनी है तो I have even tried this sunscreen from Blossom Culture. So it's their cucumber sunscreen, and it's SPF 30. So it's made of natural ingredients. So you can try this one also. It retails for 170. So these two are the ones that I use alternatively जब भी मेरा जो मन करता है. So moving forward with the last product, like आपने पूरे face का तो skin care कर लिया, but lips are also an essential part of your face. So you should not forget them as well. So like I have used so many lip balms. Okay. And currently I am using these 3 lip balms. So first is from Nivea, that's their Cherry Shine, and it comes in a retractable stick form, and it has a sort of pink tint in it. Like if it's visible, it has a slightest of pink tint in it. Second one is from Neutrogena, and it has SPF 15 also. So it's basically meant for extremely dry and chapped lips. And इसका MRP तो I don't know, I'll insert it on the screen. And this one also comes in a retractable format, and it's completely transparent. It does not have any tint in it. So that's it. And the third one is from the famous Vaseline Lip Care Balm. And this one also is in the Rosy Lips fragrance. So this one has a pink sort of tint in it, if it's visible. And other than these, I would really suggest you to try Wadi lip balms. Like वो बहुत ही affordable होते हैं, and they are of very good quality also. So yes, that is it for my skincare routine. Basically, this was my summer skincare routine. So hope it would have been helpful and you have liked it. And if you did, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to tell me in the comments down below कि मैं और कौन-कौन से videos बनाऊं. And yeah, with that, I'm ending this video. Take care, stay safe, and meet you in my next video. Bye.